Maybe you find yourself up against a continuous stream of reactive maintenance requirements that overwhelm your mechanics. Maybe creating and tracking maintenance schedules is a disorganized mess for you, or perhaps you just don't know where to start. Whatever the case, implementing an effective preventive maintenance strategy isn't always easy. It's an effort that takes buy-in and participation from multiple people across your organization, and that means you need a plan. In this video, we break down how to create a preventive fleet maintenance plan. At a high level, your preventive maintenance plan needs to address the specific assets it applies to, who is responsible for the maintenance, what maintenance needs to be done for each asset, and when that maintenance needs to take place. The easier it is to keep track of these components, the easier preventive maintenance will be, which is why so many fleets benefit from fleet maintenance software like WhipAround. The specifics of your preventive maintenance program will depend on the assets you're maintaining, as well as your company's employees, expertise, and tools. Regardless, the following 7 points can help you create a plan that's set up for success. Number 1, know your assets. A working knowledge of manufacturer recommendations for your assets is also critical. What services do they recommend on what timetable? Are there known issues you need to watch for certain makes and models of vehicles? What parts do you need to have on hand? And what does the warranty require? While the needs of your individual fleet vehicles may vary, your preventive maintenance program should include both mechanical maintenance activities and maintenance of safety items. At a minimum, however, you should be addressing the following during a routine preventive maintenance service. We have a link in the description below where you can download this list along with this entire plan. Number 2, identify who is responsible for preventive maintenance. Knowing where the buck stops is critical. This means you need to know who is responsible for overseeing various equipment and ensuring that regular maintenance is being carried out. Then communicate and document your expectations with each individual. Those are very important items, communication and documentation. It's important to understand and address how your preventive maintenance plan will impact your employees' workloads. Do your mechanics have time to perform preventive maintenance right now? If not, how can you address capacity issues as you balance reactive and preventive maintenance while getting your program in place? Number 3, create a checklist for drivers. Federal regulations mandate that drivers complete inspections on their vehicles every day. It's critical to the fleet that these inspections are completed rigorously. Your drivers are on the front lines, and they'll be the first to recognize any issues that need to be addressed. Also, it's smart to think beyond the baseline federal inspection requirements. How can inspection forms be customized to help you catch issues before they become problems? Consider the type of asset they're inspecting. Are there typical problems that arise on them? With WhipAround's fleet inspection and maintenance software, DOT-compliant forms are filled out digitally. Drivers fill out the customizable forms on their mobile device and can upload pictures of any troubled areas. The moment those reports are completed, they show up in your dashboard. You don't have to wait a couple of days for them to drop off a handful of paper reports. So if there is an issue, you'll be alerted instantly and can make a plan to take care of it immediately. Number 4, plan for maintenance reminders. You will need a process for carrying out preventive maintenance. Without this critical element in place, it won't happen. For each asset, you need a strategy for ensuring that you know when maintenance is due and can plan for it to be completed on time. With WhipAround, you can have automatic maintenance reminders sent out whenever it's time to schedule maintenance on a piece of equipment. In fact, you can decide on the maintenance criteria. You can schedule services to occur after a certain number of miles, a set number of hours, or a specific amount of time since the previous service has taken place. You can even use due soon maintenance reminders so you can plan for equipment to be offline or out of use. Number 5, communicate in a timely manner. Everyone needs to know what they're responsible for and how the maintenance process works. They need to understand your expectations and how to exceed them. If there are best practices that will prevent wear and tear on equipment, they need to have it clearly communicated. This sounds like a no-brainer, but when it gets busy, we can easily forget to simply communicate. Number 6, have a plan for storing vehicle records. Your fleet preventive maintenance strategy is only as effective as your record keeping. You need to know when equipment was serviced, who performed the maintenance, and what was done. Not only is this required for DOT and financial audits, but it also helps you identify trends protect the warranty, and maintain the highest resale value. Not excited by the prospect of scrolling through spreadsheets, logbooks, or filing cabinets trying to discern when the last time an asset had routine maintenance or when it needs to be conducted again? WhipAround keeps all of that information in one convenient dashboard, available at your fingertips the moment you need it. And number 7, assess your progress. You can't just set up a fleet preventive maintenance plan and forget it. You will need to analyze it periodically to ensure that everything is operating smoothly. Keep track of things like vehicle downtime, fluctuating repair costs, and what kind of unplanned and avoidable repairs are occurring regularly. For a deeper look at this process, check out our free 7-step guide to preventive maintenance in the description section below. Not only is maintenance legally mandated, it can offer a number of advantages to your fleet as a whole, including helping to protect your finances and your business. And preventive maintenance software is key to making it happen. For fleets of all sizes, but especially mid and large size fleets, it turns maintenance from an organizational nightmare into a straightforward process. With WhipAround, you can quickly and easily view equipment maintenance history, schedule automatic maintenance reminders, manage work orders and sign-offs, customize digital inspection forms, and much more. For more information on WhipAround or to book a demo with us, you can go to whiparound.com. You can also download our 7-step guide to preventive maintenance ebook right now by clicking the link in the description below. And as always, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any videos related to fleet management.